Want to stream your screen on YouTube like a pro, without complicated setups or paid tools? You're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through how to go live from your PC using OBS Studio. And hey, if this helps you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps support the channel. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to YouTube and click on the Create button at the top right. From the drop-down, select Go Live. Once you're on the Live control panel, you'll notice two main options. You can schedule your stream for later, or start streaming right now. We're going live instantly, so go ahead and select the option to use streaming software, not your webcam. If you don't see that pop up, no worries, just head to the Stream tab on the left, and you'll land right where you need to be. To share your screen, you'll need a software called OBS, short for Open Broadcaster Software. Don't worry. It's completely free and widely trusted by streamers around the world. Simply open a new tab and search for OBS, choose your operating system. I'm using Windows here, and download it from the official site. Once downloaded, install it like any other app, then launch it. When you open OBS for the first time, it may look a bit empty. That's normal. You'll be creating scenes and sources to set things up. Before we get into that, let's head to the Settings panel in the bottom right corner. In the Settings menu, click on the Stream tab from the left panel. Choose YouTube as your service. You can either log in directly or use a stream key. Let's go with the stream key method. Go back to the YouTube Live tab and copy your stream key from the Stream Setup section. Then return to OBS, paste it into the stream key field, and hit Apply. Next up, head to the Output tab. Set the output mode to Simple. Under Streaming Settings, use a video bitrate that suits your connection. Something like mid-range quality usually gives you clear HD without lag. Set the audio bitrate to standard, around mid-range quality should be just fine. For the encoder, choose one based on your graphics card. If you're on NVIDIA, go for NVENC, otherwise, X264 works well too. Click Apply once done. Now let's set up your audio. Go to the Audio tab and choose the correct microphone input. Then hop into the Video tab. Here, make sure your output scaled resolution is set to Full HD for the best clarity. Frame rate. 30 frames per second is more than enough for smooth streaming. If you experience any lag, just reduce the resolution or lower your bit rate. A perfect balance gives you smooth performance without sacrificing quality. Now let's bring your screen into the stream. In the Scenes panel on the bottom left, click the plus icon, and name your scene something like Main Screen. Then, in the Sources panel, click the plus again and select Display Capture. Choose the screen you want to share and hit OK. And just like that, your display is live in OBS. When you're all set, click on Start Streaming in OBS. Head back to YouTube and you'll see that your stream is now active. You should see a confirmation like Excellent Connection. Before going live publicly, click Edit to change your stream title, add a description, and adjust your privacy settings or category. And that's it. You're now live on YouTube, streaming your screen with OBS, smooth, professional, and totally free. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions down in the comments. I've got more tech tutorials, tips, and tricks coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching New Tech World Order. I'll catch you in the next one.